Hey everyone, this is cabin 8060. This is a junior obstructed ocean view. It's kind of like the studio interiors, but with this gigantic, huge picture window. So it's a little bit smaller than regular cabins, thus the junior. Let me come back. You do have this would be a queen bed. It'll be slightly smaller than twins when separated, but you can separate them. Down here at this end, as you can see, there's a desk. There's a refrigerator down there. You have a stool and a bench that are underneath there. Obviously, you can see the TV. Phone is mounted on the wall. There's two closets. One side is going to be your safe and shelves, as well as a couple drawers down there. The other side is going to be hanging, as you can see where Lisa is. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Bathroom, love the bathrooms on this ship. Toilet's in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". Love the corner sink and the corner mirror. You have a makeup mirror that's right there. The shower is also a great place for someone my height. So there you guys go. There is your studio. Oh, not your studio, your junior ocean view, partially obstructed view. There you go. Ciao.